Awesome, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a CONOR MAYNARD song here, By Your Side. So we're gonna look at two different ways of handling this song. It's pretty much one chord progression through an entire song. So let's start with capo on fourth, and with that we have four different chords to go over. So it will be first A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E minor next, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have F next, so that's a bar chord. All right, but the full version will be hard for this song, so we'll go with the shorter version here. So that will be third on D, second on G, first on B, and third on E. And this third on E will follow for all chords here. I forgot to mention that. So you will have that glued to A minor and E minor, then now F, and now the final chord G. This is built into the original G. So that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. So all chords will have this third E there. So A minor, then E minor, F, and G. All right. So two different ways of handling this song. It's a long chord progression here. Strumming pattern. So we will look at two different parts here. So the A minor will be played for part 1 and E minor part 2, and then you do it again for F part 1 and G part 2. So A minor part 1 first, we'll look at the transition from A minor to E minor. You're gonna play like this. Okay, so you see there is bass, bass, top going on here. So you're gonna do that for a couple of rounds here on the part 1. So bass, bass, top. That's how it works with the strumming here. So bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top. So 4 times of this bass, bass, top, like this. Right, and then you switch to part 2, the next chord, the E minor. So you stay with this little pinky there. What I use is the pinky for the 3rd fret E string, and then you go to E minor and keep that. And now the part 2 will be bass, bass, top, bass. So it stops on bass there. So 4 downs in total: bass, bass, top, bass. That's part 2. So part 1 is 4 rounds of bass, bass, top. So A minor. Then you shift immediately to E minor. Bass, bass, top, bass. And then you do the same for F. Now you go to F and play part 1 in the same way as A minor. And then you go to G, and what I use these fingers here just because I want to keep the 3rd here with my little pinky on the E string. And play part 2. So that is how I handle the strumming here, the strumming version. We'll look at the picking version soon, but first I'm going to take you through 1 round of this chord progression. So let's go a little bit slower. Yeah, I'm used to go up here to F, so I used the F version here. Wasn't my point. I need to go to this, of course, the shorter version of F to grab everything in the right way. So A minor, E minor, F, and G. All right, so there we have the strumming. Now let's take a look at the melody. And with this, you don't have to work that much with your wrist. It's a little more on the fingers. So it will follow the same technique here, just notes and strings instead of downs. All right, so one round of A minor will be like this. That will pretty much represent the down, down, down. All right. So you do the open A, the first B, and third on E. And this first B and third on E, you're gonna keep that through the entire chord progression. All right. So this is your bass, and then you play different bass notes. All right. So for A minor, you play the open A, then first B, and third E. That is one round, so you play that for 4 rounds. And then you go to the E minor. So now you keep that and you just shift the bass note, which now is the open E string. And the last down there in the part 2 will be the same as one extra down on your bass. So in this case, the open E. All right, so slowly, A minor and E minor goes like this. And then you do the same for F. Now you have the 3rd fret on D string as your new bass. And the rest is the same, first on B and third on the E. Goes like this, 4 times. And then you have the G left there. You're gonna play third on E in the bass there. And the same with the first B and third E. So one round of this picking here will be like this. That could replace the down strumming there. So that pretty much covers Conor Maynard's By Your Side. So thank you for watching and play tuned.